Welcome back. As you see, the snow is continuing to fall. People out here working out here. The couple of the storm coming down. We are expecting at least 2 feet of snow, people. 2 feet of snow before this all is over with, before this snowstorm tapers off around 3 or 4 o'clock. So we're still looking at some crazy snowfall totals right now. So I will be on standby for those people who want to get, because I gotta get that money, As you can see, it is just coming down out here, but it's beautiful though. A winter wonderland as usual. Looks like Jack Frost is making his daily rounds.